How to make a community post on YouTube. Here's what you need to do. Open YouTube app on your phone like this and then tap plus button at the bottom center. Slide the menu at the bottom to post like this. You can make a post or a poll or a picture or a YouTube link and the others. For example, I will make a community poll on YouTube. This is for example. You can post now or schedule this community post. I will post tomorrow at the 9:47 AM and tap down and tap on schedule at the top right. So that's all the tutorial on how to make a community post on YouTube. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.